In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you're looking for a way to take control of who can see your Facebook content, then this video is for you. It's a simple process that will help you protect your privacy and keep your personal information secure. So, how do you lock your Facebook profile? First things first, ensure your Facebook app is up to date. If it's not, head to your Play Store or App Store, update it, and then open it. Next, tap the menu icon. It's usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. Within the menu, tap on the gear icon. This will take you to your account settings. Inside your account settings, scroll down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. There, you'll find Profile Locking. Tap on it to proceed. Once here, you'll see the option to lock your profile at the bottom. Tap on it to enable this feature. Tap OK to finalize the process. And that's it. You have successfully locked your Facebook profile. Now only your friends will be able to see your photos, posts, and other content on your profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.